Swamp milkweed, Asclepias incarnata, is a native plant species in North America that provides important habitats and nectar sources for a variety of pollinators, especially monarch butterflies. Here are some tips for growing and caring for swamp milkweed. Location: swamp milkweed prefers full sun exposure, but can tolerate light shade. It grows well in damp soils, making it ideal for planting in areas with moist or wet soil, such as near a pond or stream. Soil: the plant prefers rich, well-draining soil that is moist but not waterlogged. It can tolerate a wide range of soil types, including clay, loam, and sandy soils. Watering: during the growing season, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. In the winter, reduce watering to allow the soil to dry out slightly. Fertilizing: swamp milkweed does not require fertilizer, but a light application of organic compost in the spring can help provide necessary nutrients for growth. Pruning: cut back the plant to the ground in the fall or early spring to remove dead stems and promote new growth. Propagation: swamp milkweed can be propagated by seed or by root cuttings. Plant seeds in the fall or spring, or take root cuttings in the spring and plant them in moist soil. Pests and diseases: swamp milkweed is relatively disease-resistant, but can be affected by pests such as aphids, caterpillars, and spider mites. Keep an eye out for these pests and control them with insecticidal soap or other natural pest control methods if necessary. By following these care tips, you can successfully grow and care for swamp milkweed, providing important habitats and nectar sources for pollinators in your garden.